Okay, let's see. What's the first thing we need to do? We need to work out the f of x plus h. So what is this? This is going to be negative 2. We add an h to this x as well. Keep the brackets there. And then let's multiply out. Minus 2 into x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus the 1. And then multiplied in negative 2x squared minus 4xh minus 2h squared plus 1. Then we say f prime x is the limit as h approaches 0. Now put in, that's going to be, what is that? Fx plus h minus fx all over h. That's the gradient from first principles. Okay, so what does this equal? F prime x is going to be the limit as h approaches 0. Well, what is fx plus h? Is negative 2x squared minus 4xh minus 2h squared plus 1. Subtract the fx. Be careful. Keep it in brackets there. Divided by h. Okay, cool. This is first principles. And then this equals the limit as h approaches 0. What is this going to be? Negative 2x squared minus 4xh minus 2h squared plus 1 plus 2x squared minus 1. And all of this is over h. Okay, so what happens now? It equals the limit as h approaches 0. Well, those cancel, the 1's cancel, and you can take out an h common, negative 4x minus 2h all over h. And then the h's cancel, which is rather great, equals the limit as h approaches 0, negative 4x minus 2h. And then if you drop that, if you substitute the 0 in for h, the answer comes to negative 4x. So what is your gradient here? So then we say f prime x is negative 4x. So the gradient at 2 would be negative 4 times 2, which is negative 8. That is your gradient of that parabola from first principles. And there we've got it. Okay, so this is the concept of first principles. They always ask you one of these in the exam. So make sure that you know how to do this. Stay with us. We're going to do some shortcuts in the next lesson.